Right, let's jump straight into this explainer. If you've been exploring the world of cord cutting, you already know the deal. Having a live TV service is really only half the battle. The other half, and honestly the part that completely makes or breaks your everyday viewing comfort, is how you actually interact with it. So today, we're zeroing in on the absolute best IPTV players dominating the scene in July 2026, and how you can optimize your setup with top-tier software.
To give you a quick roadmap, today's agenda covers the IPTV Player Advantage, choosing your ideal player, the top players of 2026, free versus premium ecosystems, and finally, are IPTV players legal?
Section 1. The IPTV Player Advantage.
So, if you're already paying for a live TV service, you might be asking yourself, why on earth do I need to involve third-party software at all? I mean, a lot of services have their own standalone apps, right? Well, here's the reality check. Those native apps, they usually lack the polish, the speed, and the sheer features you need for a genuinely smooth, frustration-free living room experience.
The big takeaway here is that these players are basically high-powered interfaces. They take all those messy streaming links and transform them into this beautifully organized viewing experience. It's kind of like having an empty, incredibly smart cable box. They give you the channel icons, the movie posters, a slick electronic program guide. Plus, they let you combine multiple services into one single unified hub. They do not actually host the content, they just make it look and run absolutely brilliantly.
Moving on to Section 2, choosing your ideal player. Now, picking a platform is definitely a matter of personal taste, but there are a few non-negotiables you should absolutely prioritize. Stuff like M3U playlist support and Xtream Code's API login. Those are just the standard digital login formats your provider gives you to connect your service. You're also going to want a rock-solid electronic program guide, or EPG, so you actually know what's playing in real time. And hey, if you care about catching up on missed shows or watching 4 games at once, you'll definitely want to prioritize recording capabilities, video on demand, and multi-screen functionality.
Which brings us to Section 3, Top Players of 2026. When you look at the heavy hitters right now, you can see exactly how TVMate, IPTV Smarters, and XCIPTV all serve completely different needs. TVMate is basically the gold standard for Android and Fire TV. It offers custom, recurring recordings and an incredibly sleek design. Then you have IPTV Smarters. This one is your universal workhorse. It's one of the rare players you can install on an iPhone, an iPad, and even a Roku. And for the free tier, XCIPTV is widely considered the best option out there, mostly because it integrates seamlessly with external video players like MX Player, which is a massive help for reducing buffering.
Setting up your player is very straightforward. We've used the exact, unedited screenshots straight from the source, so you can see exactly what to do. Step 1. Install your chosen app on your Firestick or Android TV. Step 2. Input the M3U URL or Xtream codes provided by your live TV service. Step 3. Hit connect and allow your electronic program guide to fully populate. The app does all the heavy lifting for you. Next up, Section 4, Free versus Premium Ecosystems.
$9.99. That is the annual cost for a TVMate premium subscription. You can even grab a lifetime sub for around $34. When you think about the hundreds of dollars that traditional cable box rentals bleed out of you over a few years, a $10 yearly fee for a hyper-optimized interface is just a phenomenal return on investment. Putting them side by side, the free apps like XCIPV or Basic Sparkle TV are perfect for getting your feet wet. They give you the essential live streaming and a functional guide. But dropping that small premium fee for something like TVMate Premium or Next TV Plus, that unlocks a whole new level. We're talking picture-in-picture, strict parental controls, scheduled recordings, and the power to manually sort and hide specific channel groups so it's perfectly tailored to you. It genuinely rivals the most expensive traditional cable setups.
Oh, and a quick side note, some premium ecosystems are actually tied to specific hardware. For instance, if you happen to own a Formula Z11 Pro Max or the new Z Mini, you can use specialized apps like MITV Online 3. Because it's built from the ground up for those specific boxes, you get proprietary features like time shift technology. That means you can pause, rewind, and fast-forward live TV with zero lag and total stability.
All right, wrapping up with Section 5, are IPTV players legal?
We absolutely have to address the elephant in the room here. As this excerpt from our source material explicitly states, IPTV players are 100% legal to install and use. Why? Because we are objectively talking about neutral video player software here, not piracy platforms. Just like buying a TV or downloading a web browser, the tool itself is completely legal. These apps come empty, no movies, no sports, no live channels included. They literally only play the data that you decide to plug into them.
To give you a little more peace of mind, just look at where these apps live. Top-tier tools pass incredibly strict vetting processes to get listed on reputable digital storefronts. Google and Amazon do not mess around with security and legal checks. The very fact that you can just search for and download these players directly from the Google Play Store or Amazon App Store is a massive testament to their legitimacy as standard media players.